Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you quick and easy steps to achieve a gorgeous Diwali makeup look. I'm especially excited about the eye part, so if you're interested then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin. So for that I'll be using Purple Oil Control Facial Oil. I'll take some drops on my hands and gently press it against my skin. I'll also be taking it down on my neck. I'll be mentioning the product's name in the description box below. Next step, I'll take Pond's Super Light Gel and I'll first spread it across my face, and then with my hands I'll massage it onto my skin. It is a very lightweight gel. It also has hyaluronic acid, so it's beneficial for your skin as well. Next, to prime my face, I'll be taking the NY Base Blurring Primer. I'll take a very small amount on my fingertips and apply it on my problematic areas around my nose, my T-zone and my under eyes as well. So for pigmentation, I like to use two concealers. One is the orange one by Mars and the second one is the Swiss Beauty one, which is of my shade. So I mix them both to make my own custom shade, and then I'll apply it around my mouth, my under eyes, basically where I have a little bit of pigmentation. Then with the help of a dense concealer brush, I'll tap on the concealer and then blend it out. To blend the products, I prefer using brushes over blenders because they tend to give you more coverage. Then I'll apply foundation. For that I'm using the Maybelline Super Fresh foundation. I'll dot it around my face and then using a foundation brush, I'll blend it all out. Remember not to drag the brush, instead use tapping motion so that the brush does not leave the stroke lines and your base looks flawless. Don't forget your hairline, your ears and your neck as well. Conceal my eyes, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and on top of that, to highlight my under eyes, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 04. I'll also be applying the Swiss Beauty one on my lids to prep them for the eyeshadow part. Then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm blending this all out. To set my under eyes and my lids, I'll be taking the Inside Banana Loose powder and tapping it onto the under eyes. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Blue Heaven Artisto Brow Pencil. It comes with a spoolie on one side and the pan on the other side. So I first brush out my eyebrows and then fill in the gaps with the pen. Now to warm up my entire face, I'll be taking the brown shade from the Yuken Base Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette, and I'm slightly warming up my face with the light brown shade. For blush today, I'm using the Stay Quirky blush in the shade Coral Chic, and I'm taking a fluffy brush to apply the blush on my cheeks. Now it's time for eyes. For that, first I'll be taking a rose gold shade from the same eyeshadow palette. I'm applying it across my inner corners. Then I'll take a golden shade and apply it in the middle part, and finally take a bronze kind of shade, a dark shade, to apply it on the outer corners. Then with the help of a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'll start blending this out. I'm moving from inside of my eyes towards the outside. I'm only blending out the edges. I'm not going over the top of the eyeshadow. Doing that will fade the pigment of the eyeshadows. Then I'll curl my lashes and apply the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. This mascara is so good. It lifts your lashes. It adds volume to lashes as well. I just love this mascara so much. Then I'll quickly set my entire face with the Inside Makeup Fix-Up. To line my lips, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Fruit Punch. And to top it off, I'll be applying the Sugar Mini lipstick in the shade Wooded by Nude. I'm also applying a nude color on top of the sugar lipstick. Finally, my favorite part, that is highlighter. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'll basically apply it all over my high points of the face, my cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, my forehead, my chin, also the inner corners of my eye and brow bone. And yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.